Hello friends, today we will discuss the difference between inductive and deductive approaches which are under the methods of teaching in educational field. So it is also used in research including science, philosophy and social sciences. Inductive approach is also known as bottom-up reasoning or approach. Inductive reasoning or approach begins with specific observations or real examples of events, trends or social processes, then moves to a broader generalizations and theories. So here first we identify the patterns, regularities and relationships within the data and then draw general conclusions from them. They are open-ended and here aim is to generate new theories or hypotheses. Suppose observing that all swans are white. So we observe 1 swan, 2 swan, 3, 4 swans and found that all swans are white. Then our generalization or conclusion will be like that all swans are white. So after observing 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever number of individual swans, we come to the conclusion that all swans are white. So this is inductive approach. Deductive approach is top-down approach. Here deductive reasoning starts with a general theory or rule. First rule is stated and then works down to a conclusion. It is based on evidences. So researchers or teachers formulate hypotheses or rules based on existing theory and then test these hypotheses. So it is structured and confirmatory. This approach is more structured and used to test existing theories. Its example is it starts from general theory to a particular. So we can take an example that all men are mortal. Suppose it is a rule or general theory. Then we can say Mahesh is a man and we can conclude that Mahesh is mortal. So we first state the general rules. So it can be understood with one more example that all planets move around the sun. Then Earth is a planet. Earth moves around the sun. So we come from rule to example. In deductive approach and in inductive approach, we go from example to rule. So it is known as inductive approach is known as egg rule and deductive approach is called rule example. So its comparison is inductive is bottom up, specific to general, and deductive is top down, general to specific. Its purpose: inductive is often exploratory and open-ended, aiming to develop new theories, and deductive is confirmatory, aiming to test the existing theories. Outcome of inductive approach leads to probable conclusions that can suggest new conclusions, and deductive approach leads to certain conclusions provided that premises are true. So both approaches are essential in teaching and research and complementing each other in teaching methods and analytical processes.